Yeah, it's me, Esky boy. Go E3 all day long, old type maniac. You know we do this. Oh my days. Certain man trying to say like I don't rep for E3. I am not E3. Are you crazy? I've been doing this. I went to both ways. I've been doing this for so long. Like, it's amazing that you can say that. Listen, my name's Wiley, I come from 07961897033. I'm so E3. Whole of E3's got so much talent, I hope you see. I know E3 so well. If you ask me why they speak for the whole of E3, when I say that Sculpture won't make anybody bow to me, so I ain't Wolfpack. But I better know E3 won't accept another donut. MC disrespect E3. I'm always trying to rep M's, but certain friends on ends they don't know E3. Cause when it's repping time, I show E3. We made a genre, everybody's on top. It's all come from Bo E3. It's Wiley, aka Esky, where I'm from. You get me? That's why. And certain man are trying to say like Esky don't represent Bo E3. I've been doing this for so long. It doesn't make sense trying to say I don't represent. You get me? Yeah, I'm from Bo E3. The Tech 9 boys in his waist, whole fakes better know E3. When the boss starts, not many roll E3. And I'm still alive, say Bo E3, they know E3. Hello E3, in summer 27 I'll show E3. I'm the grand kid, pussy, yo, no E3. I'm a soldier, so let's go E3. It's umbrella, not show E3. So anyone from E3 who says they're shabba, don't lie, we know E3. It's not hard, anybody trying it, better just stop, I'll let the lane go E3.